Sup guys, Dirty Diesel here. Got my Pitman arm on. I ordered a rough country. Got it for 50 bucks. One thing to note is right there is a little thicker than the normal Pitman arm. So if I did it again, I would probably grind it on the top edge a little bit so that nut can seat down further, because I had to put a thinner cotter pin in. It wouldn't tighten anymore. And as a note, you're going to need, it's probably a metric, but I got the Pitman arm off, the nut for the Pitman arm off, with a 1 5/16 3/4 inch drive from Harbor Freight, and everything else, all the other tools you should have if you're attempting this. You may not have that large of a socket though, and you probably won't get it off with a crescent wrench, but possibly, and maybe a pipe wrench or something. But I got it on. I haven't done a test drive. All you have to do is loosen them two things and spin that to open it up or to close it while it's connected. So, all right guys, I'm happy. Truck's back and running. Got the drop Pitman arm. As you can see, it's on the same level as a track bar now, which is what you want. It's about perfectly parallel, actually. All right, Dirty Diesel out, guys.